The problem most wellness programs don't solve is getting to the root cause of why you are stuck, why you are having the recurring or chronic experiences that you are. So most wellness programs sit on that superficial layer. It's a whole bunch of supplementation and not a whole lot of support. So if you've ever felt like you are stuck in this trial and error, you're totally not alone in that. And our goal here is to have you understand and actually feel that true wellness, true healing really does start from within. So this program is not about temporary changes. It's a guided process that helps you create lasting results that have you work smarter, not harder, right? We want life to become easier for you. We want smooth sailing. We are looking for grace. We are looking for ease. We are looking for smooth, right? We go beyond symptoms. We focus on root causes. We're going to use the CellCore Comprehensive Protocol. We're going to use lifestyle strategies. We are going to do some mental emotional support with the help of MBSR, which is mind, body, spirit release. One of my favorites, one of my favorites. And it really just leaves you feeling super grounded, super centered, and you actually then have space to start seeing what you're not seeing. And like time and space, the freedom around that begins to show up in your life. It's just fabulous. And you're not going to do this alone, right? You're going to be among community, super supportive. You will have expert guidance along the way. I've got 28 years in the holistic healthcare community. I've been working with CellCore products for 6 years, and I've been teaching for CellCore Biosciences for the last 2+ years. So I know the products really well. I know how they work with the body, and can help you understand how your assessment form results really are a picture of what your body is saying about you, and how to move that forward and help you decipher that, unpack it, and truly get the healing that it is you deserve. So if you are ready for, more restorative sleep, more energy, better digestion, a deeper understanding of really just what it is that your body needs, and you're looking for community and a step-by-step framework for how to get you from where you are to where you want to be, and yet be the individual and have the individual experience inside of that, join us in the Renew program today.